Rights of recognized union under the Act, MRTU and PULP Act. Section 20 of the Act confers an authorized officer, member of the office staff and members of recognized union the right to collect sum payable by members to the union on the premise where wages are paid to them, to put up a notice board on the premise of the undertaking in which its members are employed and to affix notice thereon, for the purpose of prevention or a settlement of an industrial dispute, to hold discussions on the premise but in a way that it does not interfere with the working of the undertaking, to inspect any place in the undertaking where an employee is employed, and fourth, to appear on behalf of any employee or employers in any domestic or departmental inquiry held by the employer. These are the rights of a recognized union under the MRTU and PULP Act. This is in section 20 of the Act. Next question is collective bargaining. This is one of the important question. Always the question is asked in the paper about the collective bargaining, then features and advantages and disadvantages of collective bargaining. So first we will see the collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a process of negotiation between employers and representatives employees aimed at reaching agreement that regulate working conditions. It is a process where workers as a group try to secure their terms and conditions of the employment through negotiation. It represents a democratic way of life in industry. It is a process of negotiation between representatives of the employer and those of the workers for the purpose of establishing mutual agreeable condition of employment. This is the meaning of collective bargaining. Next is features or the ingredients of collective bargaining. Same points we have to write. First is the parties to negotiation. These are the features of collective bargaining or the ingredients of collective bargaining. Second, serious intention to reach an agreement. Third, the subject matter of collective bargaining. Fourth, collective nature of the negotiation process. Then continuous nature of the negotiation process, discipline, flexibility and implementation. We have to explain these points in detail. These points are there in the book. Next is the advantages of collective bargaining. First is industrial peace. Collective bargaining agreements sometimes prohibit or limit the settlement of dispute through trade union action. Second advantage is social partnership. It is an essential feature in the concept of social partnership towards which labor relations should strive. It also provides a legally based bilateral relationship. It also enables the employees to choose whether or not they want the union representation. Features of collective bargaining and advantages of collective bargaining.